Hi, this is Justin Aquino of Game in the Brain, and we are going to look at using Olama, our self-hosted AI, to work with our browser and to work with LibreOffice. Let's start with LibreOffice first. So, for LibreOffice, you'll need to first go to Tools, Extensions, and then you will need to call this use local writer. So, look, I'll add the link in the description. Call this so there. So we'll download local writer. Call this um so call this we will download local writer, or we can download it in the um from their GitHub, which might be the latest. And once you have it downloaded, we go back to LibreOffice and we add it, and this will allow us to add it to our call this to go to our download folder and add it, and it'll appear here. And then we reset it to once it's added, we reset it and we find this local writer here. Then we have to go to settings, and then we have to map it. So you have to remember that um, 11434, of course, the local IP would be loopback IP would be 27.0.1.0.0.1. Um, and of course, we have to type the model that we're using. And then, of course, with there, you can leave this empty, or you can add some. Doesn't it? Very little impact. If you're just gonna do rephrasing, rewriting, grammar fixes, spelling, etc. Um, Oh, okay. Use case. Use case for this is you just need grammar and spelling, rewriting. So you're not. So this saves you. For me, this would save me 5 to 8,000 pesos per year from having a Grammarly account. And of course, I've just recently canceled my OpenAI account because 5.2 is 80 feels like it is not the 128,000 tokens that it's promised. It's actually feels like 20,000 to probably, for all I know, 4,000 tokens, and it's just gaslighting me. As compared to Gemini, and Gemini 3 Flash and 3 Thinking is for me much better by a huge margin. As a person that writes procedures, makes detailed tutorials like this, and um, call this writes a lot for purposes of making tutorials, training, and making policy, as well as teaching. Okay, so um, yeah. Okay, so we're using this. We're adding the wattage cost to our electricity bill in return. Okay, so once we've set this up, local writer, we can sorry, local writer. Yeah, local writer. We can edit selection. Uh, so we can give instructions. So okay, okay. So I think it rephrased it. Uh, okay, okay. So let's have a rephrasing of it. Local writer, edit selection, rephrase. So we're just keeping it like a different. Um, yeah. So we just what we wanted to do is just to rephrase it, and of course fix. Let's make another one, and let's intentionally let's um coding. Let's okay. Let's can you fix the grammar? Fix grammar. Uh, um, that led. Okay, let's fix grammar and spelling. Um, Copy so we can see the difference. And then local writer, edit selection, fix grammar and spelling. Okay, let's emissions is correct. First of the period, rapid increase of greenhouse gas. Yeah, yeah. That led to okay. So yeah. So it can do what it's supposed to do. You're just adding another 200 watts to your overhead uh cost. And okay. Local writer is adequate. Now we'll go look at call this next is page assist. Now page assist, you have to go to add-ons. Where's add-ons? Yeah, page assist. Okay, page assist. Preferences, details. Oh yeah. So we can go to the repo, page assist, open link. Oh, but of course we have to not just go to the details, page assist. We have to go to the web page. Open in new tab, and then what's the other one? Page assist. Oh yeah. Yeah, page assist. Page assist. Assist. So yeah, page assist. Okay, so it'll ask you if it can look at it can have access to your what you're writing. So you can say yes because this defaults to your system. And of course you can use this offline. So yeah, that I was like I had to like double check when it was like it was the other one that defaults to their own cloud. So this one is the one that um, works normally. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some coffee their way. The Okay, so once you've set it up, I've set it up, I've made it visible. So Olama settings, just set it this way. Tell it what what model that you're gonna use. Set it over here as default. These are the models I have in my system. It's able to detect it. And then a good example is when you're writing your emails. So let's use that sample text again. Um, Okay, let's use that sample text again. So we're writing our email and we want to rewrite it. So we select rewrite, page assist, uh, call this rephrase. So this is it. It appears here. So okay, let's see if I can disable this page assist. Close sidebar. So let's page assist, rephrase. Okay, page assist, rephrase. There. Okay, it summarized the changes it made. And of course, we have our rephrase paragraph. Let's uh, copy. That's weird. Okay, so it made a rephrasing. Yeah. Again, we can do the same test. Fix the grammar and spelling. Uh, call this. Let's fix the grammar and spelling. Page assist. Okay. Call this. Let's fix the grammar and spelling. Okay. Let's see the line go up. Yeah. So greenhouse emission frequent. Yeah, change more frequent intense. Yeah. So yeah, it that led to didn't change to that, but it's good enough. It depends on like what you're really after. Okay, so yeah, we have now something that will fix grammar, spelling, rewriting in both the browser when we're writing our emails, or if we're using call this Nextcloud Notes, or call this Nextcloud Notes. Note that this doesn't work for Google has their own, and this defeats the purpose of going self-hosted. Well, it kind of defeats the purpose of it. Um, okay, so you have your call this Page Assist, and you have your local writer in LibreOffice. So Page Assist for your Firefox stuff. Okay, so hopefully this helps you call this get rid of some overhead costs that you can try to avoid. I think I'm just gonna add this will add probably 1,000 pesos to my electricity bill per year. Uh, because if it's 300 watts running, yeah, oh, it's not 300. They're just a few thousand. Okay, so in the Philippines, it's 14 pesos to 20 pesos per kilowatt hour, 200 watts for the GPU working this frequently. 30.5 days per month, 12 months a year, divided by 1,000 equals 1,000 pesos per year additional to my bill. So yeah, it's relatively cheaper than running Grammarly, and um, call this the return on investment for running my AI here is pretty significant. Okay, so yeah, um, hope this helps, and uh, hope you can get the GPU and RAM in this current time.